Hello and welcome to NAS Volume 3. I made a discovery from a recycling bin full of aluminum Li-Lian cases. I have Li-Lian server which has this 6-bay hard driver frame, so the plan is to use those on this smaller case. This case model is A05NF. In this case power supply have on the front of the case and on top of this one intake fan. So I will attach this hard drive frame to the front of the case and the power supply back to the case under the motherboard. 2 CD-ROM slow will provide to expand even more. Attaching this extra hard drive frame required some drilling on the case. Also, attaching the power supply to the back of the case required a few holes in the case. Some parts of this new NAS come from my XCP-ing cluster. This setup have our 1700 CPU and 32 GB RAM. Fans are Noctua and the case came with the scythe fan controller. Finally, the build looks quite clean and the driver can easily add on a case. Thanks for watching and see you soon.